No, ChatGPT is not designed to replace humans, but rather to assist and augment human capabilities. ChatGPT is an AI language model that can provide information and engaging conversation, but it lacks human qualities such as empathy and subjective understanding. While ChatGPT can handle certain tasks efficiently, it cannot replicate the complex cognitive abilities and emotional intelligence of humans. ChatGPT can automate certain repetitive or time-consuming tasks, but it cannot completely replace the diverse skill set and adaptability of human beings. Human interaction involves a wide range of non-verbal cues, emotions, and context, which ChatGPT cannot fully comprehend or respond to. While ChatGPT can provide quick and accurate information, it may lack the nuanced understanding and real-world experience that humans possess. Humans have unique creativity, intuition, and critical thinking abilities that currently surpass what AI systems like ChatGPT can achieve. ChatGPT is a tool that can assist humans by providing information, generating ideas, or performing certain tasks, but it cannot replace human judgment and decision-making. The goal of AI systems like ChatGPT is to complement and enhance human abilities, rather than replace them entirely. Human interaction and connection are essential for social, emotional, and psychological well-being, which cannot be fully replaced by AI systems like ChatGPT.